Struggling to save money? What if I told you that you could save $1,000 faster than you ever thought possible, no matter how much you earn? Let's get started. First, track every dollar you spend for 1 week. You'll be shocked to see where your money goes. Next, cut 3 non-essential expenses, like daily coffee runs or streaming subscriptions you rarely use. Then, set up automatic transfers to your savings account on payday. Pay yourself first so you're not tempted to spend. Sell unused items online. Old gadgets, clothes, or furniture can quickly bring in cash. And finally, challenge yourself with a no-spend week each month. It's a powerful way to break bad habits. Remember, saving money isn't about sacrifice. It's about freedom. The faster you build your savings, the sooner you can breathe easy and achieve your goals.